John. Today I'm going to show you how you could simply use projects on different kinds of ways. So most people use projects on BrowSEO with their Gmail accounts or just email accounts like this. I'm going to show you. I got a folder here named emails where I store all my emails. These are my Gmail folders. So all of these are Gmails. So you could use it differently by naming it on the project. So this I usually use the email as my project name, but for my other projects I got like first name and last name, but this is the formatting my favorite formatting rather. So when you open this one, you can see username, email, password. So yeah, stuff like that. So let's just close this, and I'm gonna scratch from start how you could organize and add different kinds of projects. First thing I need to do is create a folder. So let's say I'm creating a project for my own website. So I'm gonna name this folder as Sean, my name, project, hit save. So you can see I have a folder here. So assuming that I got three types of or two types of accounts on my website project. I got my WordPress, and I also have my hosting. So instead of having it on one profile or one project, I will create separate projects for those. So let's create a project for my WordPress, my website, SG WordPress. Let's name it like that. And also my profile name is SG WordPress. Username is admin. And let's assume the password is also admin. So I got my projects here. So the main purpose of this project is when I open this one, I would have all my logins here. When I click the copy and paste, I got my logins and password for my WordPress. So every time I hit this, it would instantly go to my website, or I could definitely sorry, it's the wrong spelling. Let's correct that. So actually I could save this one, save session, and every time I will open my project SG WordPress, it would automatically go to the tab here, and I could just hit this and it would automatically populate that one. Hit login. So that's the main purpose of having a separate um, project for each login that you have. You could also do this for Twitter or Facebook if you have different logins for them, or if you have the same logins, you could just create a social media project, and you could um, save tabs differently for Twitter here, Facebook here, and it would automatically open up every time you open a certain project. So for other users who uses the new version, the Firefox there is a native Firefox, so it's different with what I'm using right now. But you could do the same thing on Chrome for the latest versions. You could save sessions here. You could just go here and save session. So let's see. So other than having WordPress or social media sites on a project, you could also create projects for tools that you want. So I'm gonna walk you through that. Tools, favorite tools. I'm gonna name this tools. So I'm not gonna put usernames here for now, assuming. And then I'm gonna I'm gonna drop these two projects on this folder. So just need to drag that to your folder, and there you go. You have your favorite tools, you get your WordPress plugin. So in your favorite tools, same thing. You could either go to Firefox or Chrome, whichever you may prefer. So for this, I'm just gonna go Chrome. Let's see, let's go ahrefs.com, assuming that's my favorite tool. moz.com. You could add um, SERP Robot or Google Console, whichever you may like, and just hit save session here. So every time you're in this folder and you want to work with your website, you could just easily open this projects here to automatically open the tools. Like you can see Chrome, we got Ahrefs and Moz here. You could pre-load the login, so every time you open your tool, you got your logins here, easily accessible. You got WordPress here, you could open this and it would automatically open another tab here. So that's how you could use projects differently. So yeah.